Hey guys, Brian here. We're going to be changing a front wheel bearings, both bearings, in the front wheel hubs. Some tools you're going to need, of course, your sockets, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 3/4. What else did we use?
We used 1/2, 3/4.
Well, we'll go along as we need different sizes. This helps for doing the bearings, something like this. It's like a bearing punch tool, different sizes for putting the races in or the seals and stuff, so you can put it in evenly and not screw it up. You'll need some bearings. I got mine off of Rocky Mountain. I don't remember. They've been in my freezer for about 3 months now. Just getting around to finally doing them. What else? All right. First step, take the dust cover off the hub. Easiest way for me. Gavin, hold the camera. Right there. Pair of channel locks. Pops right off. Otherwise you'll be fighting it for an hour. What size is this? I think that's a 3/4 for the axle nut. I'm gonna go grab that really quick. All right, Gavin, take that out. Or we already loosened it, so just take it off, bud.
It's timing.
There wasn't much play on the left side. There's a lot of play on the right side, but if you're gonna do one, do the other side too. All right, so we have a nut. We have the big washer. Sometimes you have to spin them off of there. One side's concave. It went on like that, so I just try to remember that. And we have a small washer. Get that small washer off there, bud. No washer?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh no, that might be the sleeve inside. You know what? Go ahead and get the 1/2 inch. You're gonna have to take the brake caliper off. 2 1/2 inch bolts right here. One there, one on the bottom. Yeah. This guy right there, and this one. On the other side, I took off the brake line, but I don't think you need to. All right, work on the other side. I'll get that off. I got it. Get the bottom. Don't lose the washers. There's 2 of them. So yeah, when you're replacing bearings, you'll know when you need to replace them. They'll either make noise or there'll be a lot of play, like 12 to 6, 9 to 3, up and down, left and right. Yeah, not like that, but back and forth this way. All right, take that caliper off there. Try not to bend your brake line. This is actually braided, so it's okay. Just leave it hang there. All right. When this pops off, you've got another small washer. Remember the order that they come off in? Big, small.
Small, big. You put small and then big.
Yeah, whatever. They get the idea.
Okay.
Here's your seal. It shouldn't come out that easily, and the bearing came with it. That's nice. Now you have leave that there, show them. There's a sleeve on the inside, and there's a smaller one in here.
Is this supposed to be broken?
Actually, the sleeve is stuck in the seal.
It's not supposed to be broken.
What?
Isn't that supposed to be longer?
Gavin, just Be quiet, okay? So here's your other sleeve. And I like to grease them up, so we're gonna do that. All right, so the anatomy. You've got, go get the new bearings, bud. You got the smaller bearing on the outside. You got the larger bearing on the inside. You got your dust cover or your seal that pops right out. All this stuff is gonna be, it's all disposable. You're not gonna reuse any bearings, so you can get them out however you want. When you go to put them in, you gotta be careful. So, smaller bearing goes in there. And you have your seal. And we'll show you how to put all that stuff in. Right now, just taking everything out. Shit. There we go. I don't think they're supposed to come out that easy, but whatever. Now, this is also important. You've got this thing in there. We're gonna clean all that dirty grease off and put new grease on it. Anyway, it's tapered. You've got the larger opening. You can barely see it because it's so greasy. And then a smaller opening. The larger opening goes towards the larger bearing. Small opening faces the small bearing, just like that. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to get it all the way on the spindle. This is reusable, we're keeping that. These collars or sleeves are reusable, we're keeping those. And, all right, Gavin, take the phone. Actually, we're gonna pause it and take this bearing out and show you how to do it.